All right, we're back and got at least 3/4 to store. Let's see what we all got. The boring stuff first. 2 gallons of milk. This seemed interesting. It's creamer, I think pumpkin spice, and then just regular sweet cream. Those were new. How much were those?
$5.69. So they're on promotion.
$5.69. Hard-boiled eggs. That was about like $8. And then what'd you get here? A fresh ground turkey. I'm gonna guess that was about $400. And your craisins. You finally got your craisins. Then on top of that, got some My Comfort. This was new. They always have something different, but looks like this one is from Peru. How much was this? Like
18.
18, $20, something like that for 2.5 pounds. Looks pretty good. Give it a shot. And now for the fun stuff. Well, let's start at the kind of fun stuff. We got this outdoor rug, kind of little carpet thing. We're gonna have it for the cats in their little catio enclosure out there that I built, and some more clothes. Start with this. The other day I went, and this is like an Adidas 2-piece set. They have black, gray, and blue. I got the pants and shirt in the black and gray, and the blue, I could only find the pants in my size, extra large. And the wife found the blue. Good woman, good woman. Then for her, she got this Columbia sweater. It looks pretty sweet. One of the girls working there was wearing one. Different color, but it looked nice. Then she got this, how do you even pronounce that?
It's a Bagalini travel bag. I have one already. They're kind of pricey, but super excellent bags. They're really great for travel. They hold a lot more than you think. And then just the way the compartments organized, like an umbrella here, reusable bottle here, keep your passport. It has the RFID technology in the back. And like I said, it just holds a lot more than you would think for like an airplane kind of personal item. Really clutch. So I got another one to match my actual luggage.
And that was $60, which kind of seems like a lot, but it's a quality bag, so it's not too bad. This was cheap though. It was what, like $13?
15, and the regular price was $29.99. So
oh, so it was like
it was a manager
yeah.
special.
Oh, that's
and
not
these
bad.
were also a $9 manager special. So Fabletics leggings.
Oh.
I think the regular price was 15 or 16.
So $9 for the leggings. And this was cheap too. This 2-piece set, both of them combined were like $32, so like $16 each. That wasn't bad. They don't really fit that well, but $32 for a matching Adidas set. Can't really beat it. All right, now the really fun stuff, sort of. This is, we just got a spa not too long ago, and now that it's getting cold, it's freaking sucks. So this towel warmer is gonna come in clutch. This one seemed cool, because they've had other ones that are just like a hard plastic one and take up a lot of space when you're not using them. This one actually collapses, so.
You can just kind of tell by the box size.
Yeah, look how thin.
It won't take up a lot of storage room.
And that's when it's, yeah, that's when it's closed down, so. And then when it's opened up, it's pretty good size. I don't know how many towels it holds exactly.
It says 3.
Yeah.
3 like large towels.
3XL. Yeah, there you go. Not too bad. We'll have someone over for the third towel. And then I actually made a review on these before, and we decided to get another set. They were $179, which is $100 off. 2 toothbrushes. They have this Bluetooth technology that I never used, but it also comes with these 2 charging cups, which are kind of cool because you can use it like the wife has Invisalign retainers, so she just drops them in there, and then you use it to charge the toothbrush on top of that, so that's pretty cool. And then they also have these little travel pouches that they come with it that are just USB-C or USB charge, so good for travel and home use. Do have a video on that, check that out. And that was $179. This was cheap too. I think it was $59, $20 off. It was normally $80, so not too bad. Give it a shot. Then this, I do not have a side table on my side of the couch, and there you go. That's a little better. That seemed kind of cool. Just a little wooden armrest, and the couch looks a lot like that. I actually have a video on the couch. That was from Costco, much like everything else. Standard, oh, that was $20 as well. That was $18.99, I think. And then the standard run-of-the-mill felt line hangers. These are cool because the clothes don't slip off of them. They feel pretty good quality. They used to be $10 for 50. Now it's like 12 because whatever, but still not too bad of a deal. Then we got this just because we have too much junk, and then this is going to help shrink down the bulk of it for like blankets and towels and whatnot. It's basically just these giant Ziploc hefty bags, I guess, but zipper bags. And then they have this little pump to suck out the air. You could probably use a vacuum too, and then takes the blankets, these two, shrinks it down to that size. So not too bad. I think this was $20, $18.99, I believe. And you get a 12 piece and that little vacuum. And one other thing, this guy. Now we have the older version of this, actually two of them. We got one in Canada randomly and drove back with it. We had a little rental van. This thing is awesome just because, well, the original version of it, I'm sure this one's nice too, just because everything fits in this little bag. It's good for travel, surprisingly powerful. The original one was like solid aluminum, is really sturdy. This one, I think, is lighter, but if it's got the power, don't really mind that if it's a little lighter. But
That one was on sale too.
yeah, this one was $44, I think, instead of $59. So pretty much everything was on sale. All this combined was
Without the toothbrushes, $360.
and then the toothbrushes were like $200. So there you go. It's a lot of stuff though, but not too bad. All right, I'll have videos on all this fun stuff. We're gonna eat this stuff, drink that. The cats will drink that too. But that'll do it for now.